welcome back to the J&K show. So I've been craving brownies for like weeks now, and well, I thought, why not make my own brownies? So here it is, guys. Hope you enjoy it.
So we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. You can also add olive oil or coconut oil, but I'm using canola oil here. And you're also going to add 1 cup of superfine sugar. You can add caster sugar or white granulated sugar, but I'm just using the normal white sugar you find in your supermarkets. Then you're going to go in with half a cup of melted and hot unsalted butter. And we're going to mix our 3 ingredients together for about a minute until we get a kind of like a dry paste. So after whisking for a minute, we're going to add 2 large eggs into a bowl. And in goes 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract. Now we're going to go back to mixing, and we're going to beat our eggs and vanilla extract into the mixture until it is lighter in color, or basically looks like the color of scrambled eggs. Now you're going to add half a cup of all-purpose flour and half a cup of unsweetened cocoa powder. It's best if you sift it in, just so you don't get the clumps when whisking later on. And we're going to whisk the wet and dry ingredients together until just combined. Now I'm going to add 1/4 of a teaspoon of coarse salt, just to give it a bit more dimension so it's not just sweet. And we're adding it later just so we don't get salt in every bite. We're just going to mix for a little bit again. Be careful not to over mix your batter, just because it will create air pockets in the batter, which would give your brownies a cake-like texture. And who doesn't like chocolate bits in their brownies? I'm going to go ahead and take 50 grams of dark cooking chocolate, and I'm going to cut them up into different sizes so the brownie gets different textures. And now you're just gonna gently fold your chocolate chunks into your batter. And now we're all done and ready to transfer our batter into our baking pan. And I've got here aluminium on my baking pan just because it prevents the batter from leaking at the sides of my pan and helps releasing the baked brownies. And we're going to spread our batter evenly onto our baking pan. Now place it into a preheated oven at 175 degrees Celsius. We're going to bake the brownies for 15 to 20 minutes or until the center of the brownies in the pan no longer jiggles. Let your brownies cool until room temperature before cutting into them. After cutting, now you're ready to enjoy your brownies.
So that's how you make the tastiest fudge brownies. And that's it for the video, guys. Thanks for watching. See you next week.